Hi, my amazing souls. It's your blissful soul, Katrina WW4 Wadziko. I welcome you and I welcome you back to this our amazing YouTube channel for yet another amazing episode. How are you? Are you good? You're well? Nice. I am too. If you're new here or you just found my channel, or you've never subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Okay? And for all my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for the love and the support always. Now we're going to do another kitchen rebel series. So we are in the kitchen, but we are not in our kitchen. I'm not in my kitchen today. I have been hosted. Yeah, today I've been hosted by my BFF. Oga, come say hello. So come see, let's see our host of the day.
Ta-da! It's
There. There goes our.
Hello, what's up, good people? This is your boy MC Big Show, the one and only. Kama kawaida, so you know what we do, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So today.
Kindly remember to subscribe to this lady's YouTube channel.
Aww.
Support her.
Yeah.
Give her the support she needs. I'll see you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So my BFF here will be giving me baby girl treatments today.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, he's the one cooking for us. So let's go to the kitchen and see what he's preparing, and then we rate him
The
if
chief
he's
chef,
good.
the chief chef himself is getting into the kitchen.
Oh yeah.
To do this once and for all. We've always said, Big Show, you don't know how to cook, all these things, yeah?
And we've planned
But
it for so long.
Tonight
Is the night.
lazima tufanye ile kitu, lazima tu proof sisi ni wale wazing, wale wajingololo, wale wabaya, au sio?
Let's see, I'll tell you if he's all noise or if he's good, okay? So let's head to the kitchen and do this.
Somebody said the empty debes make the most of the noise, no? So I hope I'm not an empty debe.
We are about to find out.
We'll find out real soon, yeah?
Yeah, shortly.
Kabisa.
All right.
Yeah,
So we are heading to the kitchen. Come with us.
I'll tell you what we were cooking because we were listening to music and it was too loud. So I have to do this voiceover. So he was preparing beef with pasta. Yeah, so here is him. He washes meat before cooking. Do you guys wash your meat before cooking? Yeah, he does. He then went in with spices. There was, oh my God, will I remember everything? They were so branded. They were all branded. That's why we didn't use them. But yeah, there's turmeric, there's paprika, there's garlic powder. Yay, I remember them. Yeah. Some bit of water. So we let them boil. I love this method of boiling meat because it means that the meat is going to be tasty because of boiling with all the spices. So it's a good one. You can also add, man, I'm sleeping. It's past midnight. It's 10 minutes to 1 a.m. So you can also add ginger paste. It helps to soften the meat. Yeah. And here is our pasta. He added salt and it's time to boil. Now, funny thing. Funny story. He forgot that he had not lit the burner. So we are waiting for the pasta to cook, but the burner is off. Oh my God. Then here are the ingredients. The tomatoes, the green pepper, the onion. Yeah, this guy shouldn't be single. What do you guys think? Ladies! Yeah, I was keeping my distance so that he cries alone. Onions. Yeah, I didn't want to cry with him. Chopping the onions. Oh, chop them onions. Ding, ding, chop them onions. Remember, we completely have forgotten to light up the burner. So, these pastors are just there. They're also wondering what's happening. There are two humans here. Can't they recognize that the burner is off? What do they want? How do they want me to be cooked? We just laughed at ourselves when we discovered what was happening. One thing I love about men's cooking, it's just fun, roughly chopped, and then after the water had subsided, almost finished. Actually, it was finished, yeah. In came the what? The onions. Yeah, the frying is slowly beginning. So the onions went in fast. Then the green bell pepper came in next. Then something I've never used, you've never seen it in my channel, soy sauce. He actually inspired me to buy soy sauce. Yeah. tasting time, my loves. It's tasting time. It looks nice. It smelled. And then, voila! Oh my god! This nigga can cook. This guy can cook. The food was delicious. That was when I felt like, I can try this soya sauce thingy. And the food was sweet. Yeah. Here, MC Big Show. You did it. You did it, my guy. You guy. You're good. You're great. You're awesome. Would you try this cooking it that way? How would you have cooked it different? Okay. Tell me in the comment section as you like this video, as you share with your friends. If you've not subscribed, do subscribe.
Yeah, so my people, this guy loves cakes. Oh my god, this guy and cakes.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Like you've seen as I was eating. Oh god, that food is delicious. I still have meat, whatever. Yeah, I'm still feeling it. He used, okay, among the ingredients he used soy sauce, and my people know they've not seen me cooking with soy sauce, but now I'm inspired.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm now inspired to buy soy sauce.
You should try it.
I should.
Yeah.
So he was not just making noise. He has done a great job. Actually, we forgot to do the outro. We ate and started stories and everything catching up. So right now I'm heading home.
And it's always dark outside,
Yeah, it's really dark right now. It's past 7 p.m. So it's time for Babygal to go home.
Right.
Yeah, so I'll catch you on the next episode.
Ciao.
You also want to invite me. I see how you cook. Okay. DM me on Instagram at Katrina _
I want us to do a showdown, between me and my fans. And you and your fans.
Okay.
Who's the baddest?
All right. When people you
Who's
here?
the greatest chef?
All right.
I dare you to a challenge.
Challenge
If you
accepted.
think you can beat me, well, bring it on, huh?
Okay. So the next time it's me cooking.
Yeah, it's your turn.
Why not? All right. And maybe we should have one of the fans to compare the foods, right?
Yeah, testers, They should be here too.
We both cook and then they say who's the baddest, who's the best.
You're right. You get one, I get mine. Then we get to cook. We get in the kitchen. We prepare the meals. Then we serve them, and then they give us the verdict. I'll see you.
You wanna be that person?
Yeah.
Talk to me on my DM. For his fans, talk to him on the DM, and then we will choose one person. Then we will converge. We will cook, have a wonderful time, and decide who's the best cook between Big Show and Katrina WW for Wajiko.
You know who will be the winner at the end of the day? Adios.
Babygal gotta win this. All right. We'll see.
Yeah.
The judges will tell. For now, bye-bye. I love you so much. I hope you've subscribed. I hope you have liked the video. I hope you have shared. If not, do it right now. And then tell us in the comments what you think. And we'll be seeing you on the next video. I love you so much. Kama kawaida. Go find MC Big Show. That's the name, MC Big Show, across all social media platforms, including YouTube. See ya. God bless you.